Okay, all right. So least common multiple or common multiples, lesson 2, unit 8. What questions do we have?
Problem 4 statement B.
Okay. 4. Find the length of 2 horizontal sides of the polygon. Okay, so what you've got here, you've got your graph, okay, and so you've got to plot your points: -5, 3, 3, 3, 1, -2, -3, -2. So we know horizon or horizontal goes this way, okay? Vertical goes this way. So you're going to have 2 sides like this. That's going to be horizontal. Okay, after you graph your points.
Yes, I got this.
Look, you got 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. How do you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 points? It ain't 8 points. It's -5, 3. So where's the -5, 3 at? So we'll look on your paper here. Excuse me. Everybody needs to be sitting down. And that's fine. And we're quiet. Thank you. Shh. We're quiet. Thank you. Okay, so your first one is -5, 3. So you're going to find the x-axis. This is your x-axis. This is your y-axis. -5, you're going to go to where x is -5. Stop right up, hover above that, and then 3. That's your first point. That's your first point. And then you've got, what you did, you went to every single number and plotted a point, right? That's how you got your 8. Yeah, this is a pair. 5, 3 is a pair. You go, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, okay? X is negative to the left of 0. -5, hover, go to y is 3. That's your, so that's 1 point. You got 2, 3, 4 more. You got 3 more to go. Okay? So I would redo that. Okay, what else? Okay, so what I would do, yeah, right there, right, exactly. Now, when I do that, I would probably what I would do, Aaliyah, is just kind of as you go through a cross, say -5, go -5, kind of hover, and then go up to 3 right there. You can do it lightly, but what's going to happen is when you got your different, one of the points is going to be down here. You're going to have a line here and like a line there. It's going to be kind of confusing a little bit. But that's, have y'all done plotting points before? Have y'all plotted points? Okay. Okay, what else? Do we know how to find least common multiples or multiples?
Yes.
Like on, say, number 1. We know how to do number 1. 3, 3. Perfect. So do I need to show how to find least common multiple? Any of them? Yes. Okay.
Number 5.
Okay.
A
5.
school wants to raise $2,500 to support its music program. If it has met 20% of its goal so far, how much money has it raised?
Okay, so that goes back to where you're going to have to create your equation. Thank you. So when you've got something like 4 minus 6, and we had to go back and not do 4 like that. So you've got 2 or 3 statements right there, and you got to put above everything what it is, so that will get you your equation. Okay? So you got 2,500 there, you got 20%, and you got of. So you got to create an expression on that.
Isn't of division multiplication?
Okay, so I'm gonna do which one did you want? 1. Okay. So we've got a light blinks every 4 seconds, and another one blinks every 5 seconds. So we got to find out when they blink together. Okay. So multiples is like times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. So we see the least common multiple is 20. So it will be 20 seconds before they will blink together.
24 seconds? 20. Oh, I got that right. 24.
So, by knowing what the assignment tells you to do, where it says common multiples, that's how we're going to solve these, is with multiples.
Yes, I thought I had to count the seconds and stuff.
You can, but you'll still get to a point where they're going to be 20. It's going to take you a lot longer. But if you do it this method right here, you'll get to it a lot quicker. I think it's good to have a little extra practice, especially with ACAP coming up in 3 weeks. And then, I don't know exactly how Miss Elliott's going to make you do it next year, but I have a feeling she's going to make you do it the same kind of way I do it. Or a lot of the same.
Do you do ACAP when you were in 9th grade?
You do it every year. Now, as you get in the 11th grade, you'll be able to take the ACT and like as many times, but you just have to, after 3 or 4 times, you have to pay for it. And it's like $150 or something like that at a time. ACT is what determines on if you go to college or if you get a scholarship, yada, 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 whatever. You will not, they probably not won't let you into any college. Because if you get caught cheating in college, they can ban you from that college. And anytime you try to go to another college, they'll seek records from your other colleges, and when they see that you're cheated on that one, they won't let you in that college either. So it's just a snowball effect.
I did not understand 1C and I kind of don't know.
Okay, 1C is where you explain it in words how you find the least common multiple. So remember that we had something like that several weeks ago where we had a 2-question little fun thing that you had to write down how you solve a problem in words. We can talk about it, we can use examples and do numbers, but it's a little bit more challenging when we have to put our stuff in words. So we need to practice that if we can. You good? You good? Okay. Now what we're going to be doing is tough, okay? It's going to be tough, but just keep working.
So wouldn't the one I asked be $50?
Okay, let's think about this logically, okay? Let's think about this, okay? So if we have something, so the goal is $2,500. So 100%
Is $2,500.
100% of that is how much?
No.
So I know, but what I'm saying, if your goal is $2,500 and you get 100% of that, how much is that?
$2,500.
Exactly. So if something is 175% of that,
No, I asked the A one, not B.
oh, what was it? 20%?
Yeah.
And you said the answer?
$50. Right.
Multiply 20% times 2,500.
So before we got over here, I asked the smoke if we can come at 10:30, and it's 10:35. So can I bring my paper that you signed? That's not that one to her.
And she said to go at 10:30?
Yeah.
So when you walk in there, she's going to know that you were supposed to be in there then.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 10:35.
Okay, you try. Okay.
So 100.
20% of 2,500.
Would be
20% of 2,500.
500.
You just didn't move it over one more when you had 50. So what I want to see though, I want to see your expression 20% of 2,500. I want to see your all your steps on there. And then you got one that's 175% of whatever it is. Okay. All right. Anything else?
Yes.
Yes. What you need?
How do I find a link?
You count the boxes. You can't do it right there. You're going to have to do it right here. You count the boxes. That's 1 unit.
Oh.
You see what I'm saying? It might not be straight up and down, but it still covers that unit. Does that make sense? She wants to be alone. Cheyenne.
Can we use this page for problem 4?
I personally would, if you need a piece of graph paper, I'd probably go back there and get one. All right, anything else? Huh? Are you in my group right now? Okay, wait till my group's over with.
How about number 4?
All right.
One says rectangle of ABCD is drawn on a equal plane. A equals
Good.
F6 and
Now what you're doing is connecting them. So I think you're gonna go connect and connect and connect and connect. Yeah.
And
C. No, straight. Straight. Yeah. What's straight in Spanish mean?
derecho. Derecho.
Derecho? Is that right? Derecho?
Derecho.
Oh, that's crooked. What's crooked in Spanish? No, it's good. It's good.
Yes.
What's crooked mean?
I don't know.
Okay. Find out for me, Paul. Good. Bien. All right. Okay. Anything else specifically that I need, or that you need? I'm sorry. I know what I need. But anything else you need specifically?
oh yes, B on problem 2.
B.
Okay. So I don't understand what you did on A. It says list the multiples of 10 up to 100. So right here we listed the multiples of 4. You see what I'm saying? And so I don't understand what you did there, because they said list the multiples of 10 up to 100. So you should have something similar to that with 10. And then similar with that with 15 or whatever it says.
Oh, I got like all the things that add up to that equals that 100. So.
But that's the multiples of 4, and that would be the multiples of 10 if you wrote that like that. I don't understand the confusion. Because that's multiples, and you see what I'm saying? I don't understand where you're getting that at. Because that is nothing like multiples and multiples. Because they start you off with multiples, and guess what? All of them's going to be basically multiples. You know what I mean? All right, anything else? We're good? Good? Great.